Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Frigidaire refrigerator suddenly starts acting differently, stops cooling correctly, shows unusual behavior, or settings no longer respond the way they normally should, doing a reset may help refresh everything. Sometimes the display feels delayed, while other times the refrigerator runs, but something just seems off after a power interruption or unexpected change. A quick reset can sometimes help clear temporary glitches and give the refrigerator a fresh restart without anything complicated. Before assuming something major is wrong with the appliance, there are few simple things worth trying because many refrigerator issues can improve after a reset. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to reset a Frigidaire refrigerator. Try these. Step 1. Open the Frigidaire refrigerator and check current settings before resetting anything. Step 2. Disconnect power from the Frigidaire refrigerator for a short moment. Step 3. Wait briefly while the Frigidaire refrigerator refreshes internal settings. Step 4. Restore power to the Frigidaire refrigerator and allow the display to restart normally. Step 5. Recheck cooling settings on the Frigidaire refrigerator after power returns. Step 6. Test the Frigidaire refrigerator again and confirm normal operation starts improving.